Paula's husband and her, they were in a bad wreck, Reed. Now, her injuries were not that bad, but apparently the husband's injuries were, and the medical bills are astronomical. And she wants to know if filing bankruptcy will affect the case. And I guess we're not sure if they were at fault in this,
Right.
but have you had some experience dealing with
Sure.
bankruptcy coming up?
Yes, I have. I'm going to assume that this is that they're not at fault. And so if you're not at fault, and what happens generally in this situation is that the medical bills are so much higher than the limits of the policies that you can get for the accident. The answer to the question is yes, bankruptcy will affect it, but let's back it up a little bit. And do you even need to go through bankruptcy? And I would say no. You need to get a trial attorney. We've had cases that have $1 million in damages, meaning $1 million in medical bills, and only $25,000 in coverage. These medical providers don't want to, smash you and kill you and all this. They would take a huge reduction if they know that that's the limits of the case. And so, yes, the bills may be astronomical. The limits to the policy may be only $25,000, but the medical provider knows that if a third of $25,000 is better than zero, and they're going to get zero if you file bankruptcy. So they'll discharge most of those medical bills if you have an attorney working with you and through those policy limits. So before even thinking about bankruptcy, you need to get a trial attorney and talk about what happened and what can happen in your accident case.